In this video, we're going to show you how to fix product images missing after a CSV import to Shopify. Importing products with a CSV file is one of the fastest ways to build your Shopify catalog. However, after the import is complete, you may notice that some or all of your product images are missing. Instead of displaying photos, your products may appear without images or show blank placeholders. This issue is usually caused by incorrect image URLs, inaccessible image files, formatting errors in the CSV, or missing image data. The good news is that most image import problems can be resolved by checking a few key settings and correcting your CSV file. By the end of this video, you'll know why product images fail to import and how to fix the issue successfully. So let's get started. The first method is to verify your image URLs. Open your CSV file and locate the Image SRC column. Each image must use a complete publicly accessible URL that begins with https://. Copy one of the image links and open it in your web browser. If the image doesn't load without requiring a login, Shopify won't be able to import it. Next, check the CSV formatting. Make sure the Image SRC column is spelled correctly and contains only valid image URLs. If a product has multiple images, each additional image should be listed on a separate row while using the same product handle. Incorrect formatting can prevent Shopify from attaching images to the correct products. Another important step is to confirm that your image files are supported. Use common image formats such as JPEG, PNG, or GIF. Very large image files or unsupported formats may fail during the import process. You should also verify that your product handles match correctly. Shopify links images to products using the product handle. If the handle is incorrect or inconsistent across rows, images may not be assigned properly. If your images were moved or deleted after creating the CSV file, update the image URLs before importing again. Shopify cannot import images from broken or expired links. After making your corrections, save the CSV file and import it again. Once the import finishes, open several product pages to confirm that all images display correctly. If only a few products are affected, you can also upload their images manually through the product editor. In most situations, these steps will resolve missing product images after a CSV import to Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, verify that every image uses a valid public URL. Second, check the CSV formatting and product handles. And third, re-import the corrected file and confirm that the images appear properly. Remember that Shopify does not upload images directly from your computer during a CSV import. It retrieves them from the URLs provided in your CSV file. Taking time to verify those links before importing can save hours of troubleshooting later. And that's how to fix product images missing after a CSV import to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.